First of all, import an image in Photoshop. Now type any letter you want. And adjust the size of the letter according to picture. Make it bigger as much as you want. Once you are done, make a copy of image layer. Now adjust layers. Place image layer over the text layer. Now make clipping mask image with text layer. Now go to top layer and select the area that you want to be appeared out of the letter. From here I am going to speed up the video to make selection. After making precise selection, right-click with mouse and create vector mask. Now select all layers by holding Command-Shift. And press Ctrl-E to make a single composed layer. Now create a new layer and place it under the composed layer. Now press Ctrl plus backspace to fill background color. Make a copy of top layer. Press Ctrl plus T. Right-click and flip vertical. Add layer mask. Now go to gradient and make black and transparent gradient. And drag from top to bottom. Subscribe channel for more tutorials.